Do you think they realize it, Mr. Bob?
Who?
People. People, man. People. Do they realize just how stupid they are?
Somehow I doubt idiots are pretty ignorant to the fact of how stupid they really are.
You know, they say that we only use like 10% of our brain at any given time, and you think with that little tiny amount that people would think to use it properly.
I wouldn't count on that ever happening.
You know who the fuck I blame for all this?
Who?
Those fucking assholes who write warning labels on all this shit.
Warning labels?
Just think about it for a minute. Because of those fucking warning labels, natural selection is a lost goddamn art.
You don't say.
Just think about it for like 10 seconds. Natural selection would weed these fucking bugs out of the gene pool.
Nobody's
But
watching.
now, thanks to these fucking warning labels, like anybody with a first grade reading level can like increase their life expectancy by 100%.
I don't follow you, man.
Well, just take this cup of coffee, for example. Ever since some Sally dipshit spilt some on her groin and won some stupid lawsuit, it's sad I can't even go out for a cup of joe and be reminded that coffee is fucking hot. It's almost as if being a complete fucking retard is like winning the lottery.
No way, man.
And it gets worse every day. Our ancestors never had to deal with this crap. Back in medieval times, if someone slipped and split their fucking head open, that was all she wrote. Unless it is, of course, they survived and they probably executed them thinking that they were a witch or something.
I must have missed that one because I wasn't paying attention. I was too busy fantasizing about having sex with my history teacher.
When some yuppie asshole with a cell phone does in a grocery store these days, they throw up this fucking wet floor sign in English, French, and German. And they even go that extra mile for stupidity's sake and illustrate it. And every time they do that, it looks like the guy's really enjoying slipping on the floor. Like, I need them to draw me a fucking picture.
Well, look on the bright side. At least the guy didn't sue.
No, he didn't, but he became a local celebrity and landed on the front page. Because apparently, according to him, while he was in his coma, Jesus came to him in a dream and told him to make floors safe. Like Jesus, I'm the son of God and I date prostitutes. Christ has nothing better to do with his time than visit people in dreams and teach them about fucking floor safety.
Dude, that's fucked up. This shit happens every day.
Every day, man. Every fucking day.
Fuck.
So did you see anything interesting?
Nah, not really. She closed the blinds. I think she's getting wise to me.
Shitty.